as long as Arvind Kejriwal was in power, there were a lot of questions on why Delhi can't handle its hair. Then there were questions on neighboring states as well. The PM is yours, the CM is yours, the mayor is yours, the LG is yours. Now what is stopping BJP from actually bringing out some solutions, apart from just raising the issue?
Look, I think we've gone through a very disjointed period of Delhi was really out of control in many ways, in many forms. So I think at the moment there's no reason. There can be a cohesion, there can be a collaboration with all these neighboring states. And I believe it's got more than 24 adjoining districts involving UP, Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab. Look, this requires political heavyweight. It's political decision making. But it's going back to worse. I don't know why we didn't step up earlier, but it's never late for the Prime Minister's office to step in.
Back in 2017, I remember when we were still talking about the pollution issue, we asked you that shouldn't the Prime Minister intervene because air has no boundaries of states or otherwise. It's one for all. And back then you had said that why does everything need to land up at the Prime Minister's doorstep? What's making you change your own statement now?
Absolutely. I think it's now becoming a desperate situation. It was just too desperate. It has gone over. It's like getting drowned in it. Now it's like sinking in it. Now it's a situation that we are sinking in it. For the first time, I am also looking for an air purifier. But the point is, can I remain captive in my house with an air purifier? I'm a regular evening walker. I cannot walk. I cannot go walking. I did not, maybe in 17, I was walking Pondicherry Beach and I never felt the bite of it, what was happening, because I was not a Delhi resident. 2017, I was not Delhi resident. I became a Delhi resident only last 3 years. Okay. I returned from Pondicherry last 2.5 years. So I felt the bite now. I never felt the bite in Pondicherry. By the way, an outsider cannot feel the bite as much as I'm feeling now. So I think I had to be a sufferer, a victim, to get the pinch.